Hello my lovelies, welcome back. A little unboxing. It is Chanel. If you'd like to see what piece of Chanel, what is it called when it's costume jewelry, Chanel costume jewelry that I picked up, watch it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Neo of AhhhSoNeo saying hello. I have a little addiction problem. I have a little addiction problem. It is called Chanel costume jewelry. It's on my wish list to always kind of like add new pieces, and so I did pick something up a couple of weeks ago. I've just been sitting on it, but tonight is date night. I am dressed. I did my face, yeah, so I was like, it is time. It is time to use my new earrings. So we are here for a super quick unboxing. So before we get started, hello, thank you so much for coming back and watching. I really appreciate it. You guys are amazing. If you are new here, hi, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Tell me below that you are new, and if you've got a channel or not, I will still come and check you out. So thank you. I love the support that I get here on my channel. You guys are amazing. And one thing that I know I always say to everybody, and I always say it to myself, really a lot of times when I say it to you guys, I'm saying it to myself. Choose happiness. It's a choice you get to make every day. You get to choose how you feel any moment, and so make the right choice. So it's date night. I am dressed. Hopefully my face is beat. I'm looking good. I'm wearing a little bit of jewelry. Got my new gold ring here, some gold necklaces, and I thought to wear this. This is a new Chanel earrings, the little CCs that I love, although I've got a funny feeling these are silver and not gold, but I thought why not still try them on, and that you guys would love them. So let's see, these are the I don't know, oh, it says ruthenium, so yeah, they are definitely silver. And yes, I don't remember because they've been sitting here and I haven't worn them yet. So I'll zoom in on that so you can see what they are. I buy all my Chanel jewelry from a beautiful, lovely SA at Saks in Phoenix, and these are stunning. I think I might have to change my jewelry for this. Wow. Gorgeous. Even though they will not match my outfit, I am going to go ahead and try one on so you guys can see what that looks like, because yeah, I think I might have to change my jewelry. This is amazing. What did that say? It's 21B, ruthenium and crystal. I love the small CC earrings. I can't get them back out. I have another like crystal pair that I love to wear. They're my daily earrings, but I have started losing the crystals out of them, which is my fault because I did put them in the dryer in a pair of jeans, so that is bound to happen. That was my fault. I still wear them because who's gonna walk up to me and say you're missing crystals? Exactly. Look at that, guys. Is it clear? Let me get it up close. I hope you can see it. Oh, really? Come on. Wow. Those are stunning. Oh man. Pity I'm wearing gold jewelry. Although I do think I will put on another silver, a gold pair that I do have. I think that will look good. Yeah. So that's it. That is an unboxing, really quick video of these absolutely stunning. Wow, I think I'll wear those tomorrow night. Oh, beautiful. If you're looking for a pair, here is that. Gorgeous. I do have a video up talking about this look I've got on now. I did use Sonia G brushes, this light catcher here powder by Laura Mercier, and my lips is one of these little cute Pat McGrath heart lipsticks there. So yeah, that is it. Yeah, I gotta go put on some gold earrings to go with my little cute ring. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, and you picked up anything new lately, would love to know what it is. If you have a video up with an unboxing, please let me know. I will definitely come over and watch. Thanks guys, bye. Choose happiness. It's a choice you get to make every day. Make the right one for you. Bye.